Hi guys, Adam from Midwest Panel Builders here for our next Tech Tip Tuesday at Oshkosh. Today's tech tip is going to be how to reinstall databases on your G3X if you ever had some kind of corruption issue where perhaps you lost power during an update or maybe you had a bad SD card. This is how we can recover from that if the database update page does not show when you boot up the G3X with databases on your SD card. So we're booted up here into pilot mode, and I'm going to show you from pilot mode how to do this. If we hit menu, and we go to Tools, Database Information, we can press Menu again, and we can hit either Update Software or Update Databases. So we'll do on Databases, and you can see we've got plenty here that are out of date, but we'll just do one of them. I'll click on the navigation data, hit Yes. Let's say that was the one that didn't do it. It installed. We'd have to go back and finish and reboot, so I'll do that, and it's that simple. So that was a very quick one, but hopefully if you ever find yourself in a bit of a bind with your databases, you can use that and help you get out of a jam. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.